My name's Justin, and this is The Art of Repair. And I don't know if y'all can tell, but it looks pretty fresh and new in here. Whew, we have got a lot to talk about. So let's just go ahead and get started with the big old elephant in the room. We got a new look. I don't know if y'all can tell, there will be no mistaking my name anymore because my name is Justin Ashford from The Art of Repair. And as you guys can see, I got a brand new set. And I'm loving it. I'm having a, it just looks fresh, it looks crisp, it's got a lot of energy. I'm loving it. Now, with that, definitely let me know down in the comments what you like about it, what you don't like about it. In fact, if you don't like something about it, you should really say something, because I'll be honest, some of my best ideas come from when people are like, that's stupid, you should do this. Because you know what if they're right? You know what I mean? You never know. Let's just all be friends here, you feel me? So, with that all being said, let's jump into all the real news, because this is all done. Y'all know this is over. New set, new look, we're gonna have it for another few years. Let's just play a little catch up real quick. Back in 2018, you guys know I moved to China. While I was in China, I think I learned more about the industry, or I guess confirmed more about the industry than I could have ever imagined. I had access to every little bit of actual legitimate, materials testing equipment I ever needed. I dug into some pretty deep holes over there and figured a lot of stuff out, and I'd love to share that with you guys. And that's a whole video on its own, but we all know at the end of 2019, let's just not really talk about that, but moral of the story is I found myself unfortunately taking an unwanted trip back to the United States. But with every great crazy thing, as long as you are positive in your life and you try to see the opportunity in that negative thing, you will find a positive opportunity. So with that, I was like, man, I don't really want to go back to the everyday shop life. It's not that I'm done with it. I just feel like it's just not what I want to do right now. I feel like I'm not done being out there, right? So I thought, Justin, how are you going to eat? Because you got to do that, food and stuff. And I thought, and it's funny because you think so long about something because usually there's like a mental barrier with it. The Art of Repair. I mean, it was obviously the answer the entire time, and it was the subject of my thoughts the entire time. But what about the Art of Repair? I've talked a lot over the years about not taking sponsors and not to. And, wait. I've talked a lot over the years about not taking sponsors and not having somebody else like control what I say. You know what I'm saying? And I think at this point I have earned the respect and the trust, I would hope, of the community in such a way that I can find some way to monetize the Art of Repair myself, through myself, and it be legitimate. I never ever wanted the Art of Repair to ever go past being a hobby for me. It was just kind of like my outlet, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to share all the extra energy I had. And to be honest, I love people. I love helping people. I love speaking in front of people. I love being talked to. It's fun, and I enjoy it. I love it. So I didn't really want to do anything like that. But here we are. It's 2020. Sometimes decisions are made for us that we don't get to make. It's destiny. You don't get a choice sometimes. So for me now, I think I have found a few very amazing ways to monetize the Art of Repair while still staying completely true to the core mission of the Art of Repair. The core mission being that I believe there needs to be a free, legitimate, real resource for free repair technique, right? Currently, the only channels out there teach how to repair stuff I kind of feel from a different angle, you know? And I've always wanted to just keep teaching technique. That way you could apply anything I'm talking about to any device. You know, I don't want to lock you guys into me teaching you how to do, you know, an audio IC chip on an iPhone 7 in a video. Like, what? That's other channel stuff. That's not the art of repair. That's not what I do, okay? What I want to do is I want to teach those fine techniques. I want to be the glue between you seeing something and you doing something, okay, with something that you don't understand. So I hope you can hear it in my voice that that is my actual, like, legitimate goal here. And let's talk a little bit about some of these cool ideas, right? Number one, and boy, y'all are about to get confused. I bought a big old trailer, right? I realized that the art of repair needs some other changes too, right? And I think that one of the biggest things for me is I love the community. Like, if I didn't get such love from you guys all the time, like even the haters, man, like, geez, you guys are the best. I have the best haters. Woo! And I only say that because they've actually given me some of the best advice and best ideas, you know? Like, I don't hate anybody I argue with on the internet, like, unless I feel like I'm gonna have to, you know, I don't know, it can get there sometimes, but, you know, for the most part. Yeah, the community. So where are we getting with that? I bought a trailer. Okay. So I thought, why not do something fun, right? Why not the first thing I do just be something fun? Like, I don't know, maybe travel around the country and give absolutely free level 3 training to random repair shops. I thought it was fun. I thought it was a fun idea. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that, okay? And calm yourself. There, I will give you guys all the information at the end of the video in the description. I promise you it'll be in there. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, Justin, you just talked about monetizing the art of repair, but you just spent a lot of money on a trailer, on something to haul the trailer. You're going to have to build the trailer. Dude, the math doesn't add up. Dude, you got to wait. Dude, I'm already getting, you guys hear that? I'm already getting messages now. I don't know if y'all heard that, but my phone just went off. No, you got to be, whew, you're not making money with that idea, Justin. You're right. You're right, I'm not. Not at all. So obviously, number one, let's just get it straight. There's no possible way that I'm getting to everybody, so, you know. But I will get to meet a lot of cool people, right? And once I get out there, I meet all these people, you know, I do all this stuff, you know, I'm gonna run out of money. So how am I gonna make that money? All right. Let's talk about the ways that the art of repair is gonna make money now. So what's the first thing that Justin is gonna do to monetize the art of repair? Well, I think that if I'm traveling around and giving free training, that involves a whole lot of dice rolling, right? Because, you know, not everybody's going to get the chance, and I'm not going to be able to make it everywhere, you know, and there's only so much time, right? So with that, I do believe that people would like the opportunity to come together in a more periodic sense, right? So with that being said, I actually don't even think I want to tell you about this. I think actually I'm going to let one of my really good friends tell you a little bit about it. So let me introduce to you, and I'm going to use my superpowers because I swear to God, like, this is some like cross-country stuff going on right now. Let me introduce to you Nicole from CellBotics.
Hey, Justin. Justin. Thank you. It's Nicole with CellBotics, everyone. I have some amazing news for you. Drum roll, please. We are going to be hosting Justin live in Atlanta. That's right. You will get the combination of amazing CellBotics instructors like myself and our courses and Justin in one package in Atlanta, Georgia. There's going to be so many amazing things, so please keep an eye out for all the news that's going to be coming out. We have a lot of information for you. Check out our website, cellbotics.com. And thank you, Justin. I think I'm losing my connection. Bye, everybody.
All right. Thank you, Nicole. We really appreciate you coming out here and letting everybody know about that. So I'll go ahead and do the rest, and I'll explain how to find this information if you are interested in skipping the line and just getting set up for training, right? So if you head on to cellbotics.com, very simply, you can see at the top here, it says the Art of Repair Partnership. Just go ahead and click that, and guess what? You're going to come to this other page. When you see the picture of me, you know you found the right place, and I'm going to let you explore this on your own once you go to the web page. It's got a little form here. You can go ahead and fill that out. It's going to just get a little bit of interest and information for us so we can find out how to give you the best course possible. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and jump back into the regular portion of this video. And once again, thank you, Nicole, for coming out and helping tonight and, you know, helping make the video. Okay, you're gonna run some courses. You're gonna give some free training. Sounds fun, Justin. You're gonna have a great time. Well, I'm pretty sure if you've done the math, again, I think you know that that is not a feasible plan if you want to succeed and grow, right? And, you know, you guys know I like to make tools. You know, I've always been a big fan of making tools. I remember the first time that I made a tool. And I guess not the first time I made a tool, but the first time that I made a tool that actually got released and actually made money. And dun-da-dun, that looks a little different, Justin. What's going on there? There it is. I'm sure many of you remember this. The inverse ceramic desoldering tweezers from the Art of Repair, AORT-001 with the old logo. Man, I have been using these for years, and I'll tell you right now, these are super popular, and I love making tools. I love the crap out of it. I would say that that might be one of my favorite things of one of my favorite things. So, you saw the black one, right? So, the truth is, I kind of got screwed up on the tweezers because I tend to do things for free because I just want to do them. I just want to have fun and do them. I don't really care about money. You know, I do. We all do. But, you know, for me, I just get in the zone too much, you know. So I got kind of screwed by a factory in China, and they sent me something like this. And I think one of these got out. And if you've got one, obviously let me know. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know if y'all can see it. Okay, one shuts, and you see there's a gap there on that one. It was a quality issue. And one little gap in one little situation caused me to get, you know, your big dirty shipment where you got all the money and you kept selling them and everything worked and you were like, all right, we're going to finally do the big buy. I got screwed on the big buy. The 1-2 punch from the factory, and I'm sure you guys know about the 1-2 punch. First order good, second order good, third order not. Basically almost every unit was trash and I got screwed. So, you know, it was really hard to find another factory that would really make them. That I kind of got sketched out also for some other stuff that we won't talk about. But I've been thinking more and more, and I'm just like, man, you know, there's some other tools that I've worked on, and let's just cut to it. I want to make tools. Okay, I want to make tools. So let's talk about that now. I am starting something called the beta program. It is going to launch in Europe first, because over the years I have watched and watched and watched, and I know who I can and cannot trust. Okay? And I'm going to tell you right now, if I don't trust them, I'm not trusting them to let you trust them. Okay? So I'm only going to work with the people I trust, period. So if I find somebody in America that I trust that approaches me, I ain't going out there finding y'all. You want to be part of the ride, be part of the ride. Okay? If you don't, then I'll just end up doing it myself. I'm talking to the vendors. You feel me? There's a bunch of y'all out there watching these videos too. You want to be part of the ride, be part of the ride. But if you don't want to be part of the ride, don't be part of the ride, and I'll just do it myself. I'm going to be there with or without you. You feel me? But, yeah. So yeah, we're starting in Europe, and hopefully we'll take it all over the world, and we will be giving out free tools, all kinds of free tools, not just my tools, everybody's tools. And what I expect and what I want is that when I send these tools out, that I have real conversations with these people, and that, you know, I'd like to have some sort of, like, I don't know, group online, mobile.repair, the mobile repair Discord. Come on, guys. Come on. We got the biggest repair groups on the internet, the best ones for sure. I want to talk to people about this stuff. I want to collaborate, you know, like, if you've got a really killer idea that nobody's ever came up with, and you're like actually gonna like let's do this, like, let's do it together, you know, let me help you bring it so that you can be successful too, you know, like, community is not community if you're not actually communitying. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna send out tools. You're gonna either be on the channel, on an audio call, something like that. We're gonna talk about them. You guys can talk amongst yourselves too, even in the comment section. But that means that I'm going to be making more videos that are going to be more aimed at, you know, how to use tools, what are good tools, what are bad tools. And the deal is, I still haven't told you who's paying for this, right? I kind of did, but it's not going to be you. It's not going to be you. Unless you're a vendor. It's going to be you. What do I mean? It means that I'm not really interested in selling tools directly to the public. I want to work with the public to design these tools and come up with amazing tools. But then I think it makes it a lot easier just to make the content necessary to basically inform everybody of what you're buying. You know, I think that if we can get every tool we can, you know, reviewed and checked, you know, believe you me, I've already looked through basically every tool on the planet in our industry. It's actually quantifiable. It's quantifiable, my guys and girls. Like, it is. So, in fact, there has been some of it, right? So if we can do that, and then we can get everybody to, you know, kind of be all on the same page here, then the Art of Repair can make money by working with trusted vendors, okay? The only people I work with are people that you're going to be able to trust, okay? That's my seal of approval. I'm telling you right now. There will be a situation where I'm saying I trust this person, okay? So that means that not everybody can get in. Okay? Yeah, I'm just going to sell tools to the vendors, and we're going to work together and build better tools, and hopefully we'll get to do a lot of really cool stuff in between. So I feel like I've taken up enough of everybody's time today. I've talked about a lot of stuff, a lot of free fun stuff that I want to do for everybody, but I think if I can do a little bit of training and sell a few tools and make a few tools, that I'll be able to carve myself out a piece of the mountain, and I'll be able to realize my ultimate destiny in the Art of Repair. All right, looks like you made it to the end of the video. Guess what? Some of that stuff I talked about is already happening. Tools are absolutely available in Europe. They ship worldwide, and every single one that has my name on it is something that I've actually touched, used, know how it works, and pretty much say is good to go. You know what I'm saying? So head on down there, click that link, and go purchase from the people to support me so that they'll purchase from me so that I can do cool stuff for you. See you next time.